Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to be applying hair color wax to my hair, and I'll be applying it using the wash and go method. I've done this before using twist out method, so you can check that video. I'll leave the link in the description box, but today I'm going to do a wash and go so you can see for yourself, and I'm also going to be sharing some tips on how you can get the best results applying this wax to your hair. And because a couple of you had asked how long this color lasted, I decided to include a clip of my hair a couple of days later so that you can see and you be the judge. So I'll be using the Mofa hair coloring material in two shades. That's the purple and red. I'm going to mix them together, so just make sure you keep watching. So let me just explain a little bit. So to begin, I'll spritz water to my hair like I always do. And then I'll finger detangle, just move my fingers through my hair until it's kind of smooth. And then I'll go ahead to apply the hair paint wax, and I'll begin with the tip of my hair, and then I'll move towards the root of my hair and then just work the wax into my hair. So just keep watching, and then you understand the entire process, and I'll see you applying the red, and I'll just spice things up by applying the purple to the tips of some strands of my hair. And so while you're watching, I'll just go ahead to share with you my experience. So first of all, I'd like to say I made a mistake by letting this paint touch my scalp because it got really itchy. I have very sensitive scalp. I don't let anything get to my scalp, but I guess I wasn't paying attention, and then I got some to touch my scalp, so it was very itchy. I had to wash it around the sit day in the morning. Yeah. The first one I did with the twist out, I think I kept it for like 7 days because my hair felt so moisturized, like I didn't feel like taking it out. And also I would say with this, the fact that I'm using water, it gets a little bit messy, so I kind of just prefer to do the twist out with it. It's less messier. And again with this one, if you notice, I didn't use any leave-in conditioner or styler, so my hair got drier faster. Not that my hair was dry, it wasn't actually dry, but as compared to the one that I used to do the twist out, it got drier faster. So that's why I recommend that you use a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner or any styler before you apply the wax to your hair. Now moving on to how bright your hair is going to look would depend on the amount of hair wax you used. In my first video that I shared on here using this wax, I used very little and then it wasn't that bright. So if you're going for a bright color, you have to use more. So in this one, I used a lot. The container was almost empty and you can see it's bright. So that's it. This is my day 5 hair and the color is still popping. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.